Hey, yo, what up? It's your boy, Stones. Back with another channel. Listening to how much we go and tell you show. Okay, my friend, so, as in test department, better receive a parcel alarm daily from Switch Buffet. So, ngizona unboxa ke njengamanje. First prank deal yami yokuqala lena. Yeah, so when I was passing it. Okay, so vulana njengamanje le friend. Right there. Okay. This is what we got from Swishy. Yeah. Competition kahle bafethu. Competition kukhona uma ngabe uphuza iswish. But ngisezikhipha imithetho mfethu yabo. Uzikhipha imithetho kwamanje was just like start the package. Just the package parceling. Ngeka ngi-unboxa-ke bafethu. Ningigqolele. Scare anginaso. I try to tell something. So I think it's... It's happening. It's happening. I told you it's happening. Ngijabulile. Best friend yami le qala. Ngikela. Nje from Swish bafethu. From Swish. Sweet thumbnail way. Okay. How to open here? Oops. Hey, bro. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
So excited.
Ayikade nje
Hey, usitshaya ngokuthi ngivule kahle ngokunono. Awunona sabalekile.
ayibunona it's
No, bese ukubona. Yes, sir. Yebo. Okay, bafethu, so kule competition ish.
rare.
Kule competition uthenga mfethu ikani, ibhaya like a can.
Yo.
Yeah, this is what I got. Okwamanje shanje review. Cap lena omoda ngoba uma ngabe ngenele competition base subeni ukuthi win idatha, i-airtime, cash vouchers noma isubala kwina one of ama-omoda but e-mod acorn. Okay, also have bucket heads. Okay, it's super simple.
Yeah.
Super smart.
Yeah.
Yeah. Made it go that we have here. So for my sure. Have top buffers. Yeah. The top head. So like you see sham. Okay. Here I have the gift card there. Ukuthi ngiye Pick n Pay bafethu ngikwazi ukuthola amanye amaswishi ngikhombisa usungena kanjani umuntu isona. Here we have think I'm asokisi now. Hey, bafethu.
Hey, fresh.
Njengobani seso department. Apho baba awula bafethu. Shaba nje khona manje. Okay. Yeah. So ikona bafethu kukhona la box i-voucher le yase Pick n Pay, Kenny, Swish, Kapo, have Kepe Omoda, Sozotis driver, Sini, Masogisi, and also the bucket's heads. So ilo wamanje. If you tell Landela, the Bagnazi is our first to join and competition. Stay blessed in China. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Always.